Ever wish you had a superpower to finish work in half the time? Well, guess what? Machines have been doing that for years. From building cars to baking cookies, machines are the behind-the-scenes heroes making life faster, easier, and way more awesome. But how did we go from hand tools to high-tech robots? And what does that mean for our future? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the wild, wonderful world of machines that do the work, so you don't have to.
In a world where speed is power and precision is everything, machines have become the architects of a new era. No longer just tools, they are intelligent, tireless, and evolving faster than ever before. From robotic arms to AI-powered systems, we are entering an age where creation is limited only by imagination.
In the fast-paced world of modern industry, machines play a crucial role in simplifying and accelerating production. From manufacturing smartphones to assembling cars and creating everyday products, machines help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently.
What once took hours of manual labor can now be completed in just minutes, with greater accuracy and minimal human error. This leap in efficiency not only saves time, but also boosts productivity and consistency across all industries.
Whether you're in automotive manufacturing, electronics, textile production, or even small-scale crafting, automation and smart machines are changing the game. The future of work is here, and it's powered by machines.
If you're excited about how technology is transforming the way we create, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in tech innovation and smart industry solutions.
Imagine a world where your biggest tasks are done in minutes, not hours. A world where precision meets speed, and innovation never sleeps. That world, it's already here. And it's all thanks to machines and automation technology.
From massive factories to small workshops, machines are reshaping how we make things. They don't get tired, they don't take breaks, and they can perform complex tasks with stunning accuracy. Need to build a car? Package
From
thousands of products?
factories and workshops to your
Print
kitchen and
custom
garage,
designs.
machines are like the
Machines make it all
superheroes of
possible.
modern life.
Faster,
They don't
smarter,
sleep, they don't
and better than
complain,
ever before.
and they definitely don't ask for coffee breaks.
We're no longer limited by what human hands can do alone. With intelligent machines, robotics, and advanced manufacturing, we're unlocking a new era of productivity and creativity.
And the best part? This is just the beginning. If you're excited about how technology, innovation, and smart machines are changing the world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Join us as we explore the future, one machine at a time.
Let's be honest, nobody likes doing boring, repetitive work, right? Well, good news. Machines are here to save the day. Need to build something? Boom. Machines got it. Want 100 burgers flipped in 5 minutes? Done. Need a robot arm to do perfect welds while you sip your coffee? Say no more.
They make stuff faster, better, and way cooler than ever before. Honestly, if machines had an Instagram, they'd totally be influencers by now. So, next time you see a robot arm doing some slick moves, give it a nod. It's working hard so you don't have to. Like what you see. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our tech-powered fun and future-forward inventions. Trust us, the machines are just getting warmed up.